Hi guys, this is Andres Gonzalez from Graphic Bible, and on today's video I'm going to teach you how to color your pixel art, something that we call it hue shifting. So let's jump right into it. Okay guys, when I first started in pixel art, I used to make big mistakes when choosing colors. I used to fill my art with flat colors like this, right? And then I started working with my highlights and my shadows. So I used to fill my shadows with pure black and then reduce the opacity of that layer maybe 50%. And same thing with the highlights. So I use my highlights with a white color and then reduce the opacity to 50% as well. And you can do that too, but I don't know, for me it doesn't work, it doesn't feel right. So I'm gonna show you a better way how to improve your colors when doing pixel art. And I have here an example. So as you can see, the colors are more vivid and they look better if I compare it with the other one. And the way to do it, to achieve this, is very simple. So for the highlights, we're gonna go to the yellow ones, and for the shadows, we're gonna go to the purple. So if you double click here, you're gonna see the HSV value or sliders. And the way this works is very simple. So for the highlights, as I said before, you're gonna go to the yellow. And for the shadows, you're gonna go to the purple. So in this case, you go to the left. When you can go more, you just place it here and start going this way. So I'm going to show you an example. If we take this orange, and let me just increase this to maybe 12. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see better. Okay, so let's start with the shadows for this color. So you're gonna click here and make sure you are in the right tab. So in this case, we're gonna make it darker. So we're gonna go to the blue and purple colors. So I'm gonna reduce a little bit the hue to maybe 20, 29, and reduce the saturation to maybe 20 or 15%. And same thing with the value of brightness, reduce it maybe to 90%. And we can do the same, we can reduce it again, reduce like 10 points. Let's do it last time. Now for the bright colors, so as I said before, we're gonna go to the yellow. So click here and make sure it's in the right tab. Increase it to 50 maybe. And saturation, reduce it at 10 maybe. And repeat the process. So reduce. I'm not gonna touch this value because it's already in 100, so it's really bright. We can do a couple of more. A big difference here, so maybe let's increase this one more. And we can do this all the way to the white and all the way to the black. But for this example, I don't need to go that far. So we're gonna start coloring our shadows and light and highlights. So let's start with the shadows. So I'm gonna pick this color. So I'm gonna press the eyedropper tool, which is I on your keyboard. And then I'm gonna press V. I'm gonna grab the brush tool and I'm gonna start doing some shadows. Maybe I'm gonna choose the darker one. It looks better in my opinion. But it's up to you if you want to choose the other one. I'm going to speed up the video a little bit because it could take a while. And we can do the same thing with the highlights. So I'm gonna choose this bright yellow. I'm gonna start doing some highlights. We can repeat the same process for all the rest. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on my social media. And you can find me as DressGonzalez13 to see your project. See you guys in the next one.